Namaste. All of you are welcome to today's IT class. Last class we have discussed about networking and the networking devices. Today we are going to discuss about IP address. What do you mean by IP address? You all are have name and address. You are identified by using your name and address. Similarly, the computers in the network are identified on the basis of IP address. IP address means Internet Protocol. There are two type of IP address, IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 is 32-bit address. It has 8 bit of 4 parts separated by a dots. In IPv6, it is 128 bits. Its size is 128 byte. Okay, all of you understand. We are commonly use the IP address IPv4. It is given on the basis of TCP bar IP. That is a protocol, means Transmission Control Protocol bar Internet Protocol. Commonly the IP address given on the basis of TCP bar IP. Okay, when we consider a IP address, it has 4 parts of 8 bits of 4 parts separated by a dots. The last parts is the number of the computer in the network. We considered a network. First three parts are common for all the computers and the last part is different for all computers. Then these numbers considered in order to when we on the computers. It is different. Okay, it is different for each computers in the network. Okay, let me study detailed about IP address. Okay.
We are going to give a permanent IP address for a computer functioning in a network. First we go NM applet. It plays on the top of the desktop. NM applet means Network Manager Applet. Then check the connection information. So we get the details about the active network connection. There we can see the IP address, then netmask address, then gateway address, DNS server address. We can see all the information about the network with the help of connection informations. Here close the window and once again goes to NM applet. Then take edit connections. There we can see the network connections. Then select the Ethernet connection. Then add. Then select the IPv4 settings. Their method. Change the method to manual. Then add their address. Give the address in your textbook. The IPv address is 192.168.1.10. Then give the netmask address in your textbook. Netmask address is 255.255.255.0. Then give the gateway address in your textbook 192.168.1.1. Then add. Then give the DNS server here 192.168.1.1. Then save. Then close the window. So we give the permanent IP address for the computer. If we want to see the changes, you go there, active connection, connection information. So we can see the changes. When I when I saw the first network connection information, and now the information can be changed. Then disconnect the networks. Apply the changes for first disconnect the network, then connect, then again what's the network connection information. So the address cannot be changed because we give the permanent IP address for the computer. The computer does not have a constant IP address in the network. Each time when a system is connected to a network, it gets an IP address. The technology that gives an IP address automatically is known as Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Each computer that enters the network is given an IP address in that order by DHCP. So we give the permanent IP address, it cannot be changed. Then we are going to learn how we exchange the files in the network. First we are going to check the how we connect the network in a system. First click the NM applet. So we get the connection details. So we connect the Wi-Fi network. If the Wi-Fi network needed password, give the password. Then connect to the network. Give the password, then connect. So we get the net connection in our system. Okay, it should be connected. Then take NM applet, then connection information. We can see the IP address, netmask address, and all the information about the network we can see there. Then find the IP address, then goes we want to share the desktop of another system. So we are going to share the files with the help of internet. So we go places, then connect to server, then there give the server address, server IP address, server address, type the server address, then connect, then give the username and password of the system, network username and password, then connect, so we can see the desktop of the server system. Then we open the folder and which file we needed, just to copy that file and paste it in our desktop. Okay, copy the file from that system, copy it and just paste in our network. Okay, then open the file, we can see an image, then close it. If once we connected with another computer, Next time we did not connect the system, there is a shortcut created for that system. We just open this folder and select the files. Once we connect a computer, next time it's automatically a shortcut is created there.
If you understand very well about network settings, okay, then we are discuss some common terms like firewall. Firewall is a security term. It is used to unauthorized access of avoid unauthorized access of the network. Okay, when we are using a private network, the firewall security is used to avoid the unauthorized access of outside network like internet. Avoid the access of the people from outside. It is a security term. Okay, all of you understand. Firewall is a security system. It is used to avoid the unauthorized access from outside. Okay, all of you understand. Then next two terms are grid computing and cloud computing. The grid computing consists of the peoples from different sides of the world work together to achieve a common goal. Okay, all of you understand what do you mean by grid computing? Grid computing means the people from different sides of the world work together to achieve a common goal. Then the cloud computing means the same task can be do in the different parts of the world. The same job can be do the people from the different side of the world. The system resource sharing and the device sharing are the main features of this cloud computing. Okay, I think that you all of you understand very well. If you have any doubt, contact me. Namaste.